Assalamu alaikum to all my lovely little angels of playgroup. How are you all? I hope my all shiny stars will be very fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. So my dear students, it's our study time and we are going to learn counting. And my dear students, today we will learn and play with numbers. So, are you ready? Okay students, so to have fun and enjoy and watch this video.
Let's sing a song about the number 1. It's very easy and lots of fun. Let's sing a song about the number 1. And here we go. One fast car so blue and bright. One jet airplane taking flight. One big tugboat on the lake. And one long train, train, train. Let's sing a song about the number 1. It's very easy and lots of fun. Let's sing a song about the number 1. And here we go. One juicy orange that tastes so great. One yellow banana on my plate. One sweet apple I love to eat. And one ripe strawberry.
Okay lovely students, our lesson is over. Keep on repeating your lesson. I hope so. You will not forget to repeat. That's all for today. I will be back with new lesson. Till then, take care of yourself. May Allah protect you always.